Hi, I'm Brian from Floors to Your Home, and today we are going to do a demonstration for realtors of our room visualizer software. We're going to show you what this looks like on a desktop computer, but it can easily be translatable and usable to you as you walk through homes right on your cell phone. And this can be used for both your buying clients and your selling clients. Sometimes we all have those clients that maybe they can't visualize in their head what it would look like to transform a room or an area of a house. This is the tool you need to help make that happen. What this does, as you're walking through the home with your buyer, and maybe they don't like the floor covering, maybe don't like the color of the floor with the wall, with the cabinets or whatever, maybe they want to make it brighter and lighter. You can easily take a picture of that room, pop in one of the floors from our inventory, and boom, you can show them how light, how airy, how bright this room could be with simple transformation of floors. Maybe you have a seller that is in need of some improvements before you get the home on the market. Take a picture of the room, pop in a different floor, show them what a difference it can make. Maybe they need a darker floor to go with their cabinets or with their walls, or maybe they have a lot of windows and natural light and they could go with a little bit darker floor. This gives you, the realtor, the tool to help work with both your buyers and your sellers to help make them happy and get their job done. You can see how this can help your buyers visualize new spaces, help your sellers who maybe need to make a couple improvements before they put the home on the market. This will help you get your job done and get your clients satisfied to either buy that new home or sell their existing home. We'd love to help you help your clients get the results they're looking for. Thanks.